Most people get this wrong when comparing Fetch Rewards and Ibotta. They assume one app is automatically better than the other. Here's the truth no one tells you. The app that pays more depends largely on how you shop, what products you buy, and how much effort you're willing to put in. In this video, we're comparing Fetch Rewards and Ibotta in 2026 to answer the question everyone wants to know: which one actually pays more? By the end, you'll know exactly which app fits your shopping style and how to maximize your rewards. Let's get straight to the answer. If your goal is simplicity, Fetch Rewards usually has the advantage. You shop, save your receipt, upload it, and earn points on eligible purchases. The process is straightforward and requires very little planning. Ibotta works differently. In many cases, users need to browse available offers and activate them before shopping. After completing eligible purchases, cashback can be earned on qualifying items. For example, Alex spends 10 minutes before shopping checking offers on Ibotta. Jake prefers a simpler approach and uploads receipts to Fetch Rewards after shopping. Both earn rewards, but they use very different strategies. Now here's where it gets interesting. Ibotta often has the potential to generate higher rewards on specific qualifying purchases because cashback amounts can be tied directly to activated offers. But here's the problem. Higher potential rewards usually require more attention. This is where most people fail. They download Ibotta, ignore available offers, and then wonder why their earnings are lower than expected. Meanwhile, Fetch Rewards is generally easier to use because users can focus on uploading receipts rather than managing multiple offers before every shopping trip. In a minute, I'll show you which type of shopper benefits most from each app. Let's talk about earning potential. If John carefully plans purchases around available cashback offers, Ibotta may provide greater value for certain shopping trips. On the other hand, if Sarah simply wants a quick and easy rewards experience, Fetch Rewards may feel more convenient. Now here's where it gets even more important. The highest earners often don't choose one app exclusively. They use each platform for its strengths. When an attractive cashback offer appears on Ibotta, they take advantage of it. When they have receipts available, they upload them to Fetch Rewards whenever eligible. This creates multiple opportunities to earn rewards from everyday shopping. However, it's important to maintain realistic expectations. Neither app is designed to provide a full-time income. They're rewards tools intended to help users save money on purchases they were already planning to make. So which pays more in 2026? For active users who consistently use offers, Ibotta may offer higher earning potential on qualifying purchases. For convenience and simplicity, Fetch Rewards is often easier to use. The best choice depends on your shopping habits and how involved you want to be. Let's quickly recap. Fetch Rewards is simpler and more passive. Ibotta often requires more effort, but can provide higher rewards on eligible offers. Many experienced users combine both approaches for maximum value. If this comparison helped you, hit the like button, subscribe for more rewards app reviews and tutorials, and let us know in the comments which app has earned you more rewards so far.